Welcome to LIT 2020, Introduction to the Short Story. Within this course, you will read and analyze a number of short stories by authors from different cultural backgrounds and time periods. As part of this analysis, we will regularly discuss a number of key literary terms, which will be introduced within our first course lesson. This is a fully online course that is broken into 4 learning units. At the end of each learning unit, you will take a timed online exam. You will write 2 major papers within the course, one of which will require significant research. You will also need to participate in the discussion board conversations on each story that we read. Each learning unit begins with a learning unit overview, in which you'll be given a brief preview of the unit's stories, plus a description of the learning objectives, the list of required readings, and a list of items that you must complete as part of your grade. Each learning unit then contains the lessons on the assigned stories. Review the lessons only after you have read the story itself. The stories are located within your course textbook. The specific page numbers can be found in the table of contents or in the book's index. Don't try reading the course lessons before reading the story. They do not seek to summarize the story and won't make sense unless you've read the story first. Most of the lessons include an audiobook reading of the assigned story. You may find it useful to download these files and listen to them as you read the story. Every lesson includes a narrated video lesson. This is a narrated version of the lesson. The text of the lesson appears on the pages that follow. The last page of each lesson includes an interactive review questions exercise. These questions are based on the story itself and the related course lesson. While they are not a comprehensive review, they will help you recognize whether you've understood some of the key details. These review questions are unrelated to your course grade. They are simply a useful learning activity. Since this course contains a great deal of original video content, it will be useful for you to use your speakers or headphones in order to hear the narration. However, the crux of what is being said has been included in the text version, in case you are not able to access audio. In many browsers, you may be asked a security question on pages that include embedded video. Simply click Yes or Run in order to access the content. Please continue to the next page of this lesson by clicking the Next button near the top of this page.